Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox game bar capture option being grayed out in Windows 11. So if you are trying to record your screen but the capture button is disabled, don't worry. There are a few simple settings that you can check in order to fix this problem. So first of all, you need to make sure that the Xbox game bar is enabled in the Windows settings. In order to check this out, simply open the settings of your PC or your laptop. When you are inside the settings, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of gaming. In the gaming, you are going to see the option of Xbox game bar. Just make sure that the toggle button for Xbox game bar is turned on. This allows you to open the recording tools using the Windows plus G shortcuts. Now you need to check the captures settings. So still in the gaming tab, you just have to basically look for the option of captures. So after clicking on it, make sure that the background recording and the capture options are enabled. If recording is disabled here, the capture option may appear grayed out. So as you can see, in my case, the recording option is not basically turned on, so you just have to turn it on. Another common reason is that Xbox game bar only records the apps or the games. It can't actually record the Windows desktop or the file explorer. So you can open the application or the game that you want to record, and then you can press the Windows plus G and you can try recording it again. Now in your settings, when you are here in the gaming section, look for the third option of the gaming mode. When you are here, simply turn this toggle button on. This can also help ensure Xbox game bar works properly. Now another fix that you can do is you can simply try resetting your Xbox game bar application. For that, in the settings of your Windows 11, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of apps. Now select the option of installed apps. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for Xbox game bar. Now when you go to the advanced section, simply choose the option of repair or reset. This can also fix the issues if the app isn't working properly. So you can try these methods and you are going to basically fix this error. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.